Good day. Today I thought I would try and cover a quick topic about headers and footers in WordPress Blocks. WordPress recently released 6.3.1, and yeah, they've changed the interface a lot and it looks a lot different. So I just wanted to go and show you how to add a header to your website, okay, using the blocks. So I'm going to my admin console and I just need to get my details here. Log in as my admin account. Okay, so I'm in my admin panel, and what I wanted to just show you is that this is a brand new install. So if I have a look at posts, you'll see there's nothing. If I have a look at pages, there's nothing. If I have a look at plugins, I've only got the anti-spam plugin at the moment. Okay, so this website is a total fresh one. First thing I'm going to do is go to settings and permalinks, and I'm going to change the permalink structure to be post name and keep it like that. I'm going to go to save changes. Okay, so this is about adding a header. So I wanted to first just show you that my theme that I'm using is the 2023 theme, which comes the standard theme. What I'm going to do is click on these other themes and delete them. Okay, because I don't want to have any others. I just want this one here. Okay, and on the left here you'll see there's an editor option. So on the editor option, it'll open this screen and you'll see you've got a navigation bar. If we have a look, we've got nothing except page lists. Okay, then you've got a styles option here, and all these styles come available with the 2023 theme. So you can customize the style using this tab. Then you've got your pages, and you can see we've just got a blog home page. Templates. Here's all the templates that get used, the standard templates that WordPress comes with. Okay. And over here under patterns, you'll see there's a template part called a header. And so I normally go to this header, and over here you can see it's got a sample header. And then I go and I click on this edit option. And as you can see, it asks me, do I want to load anything up? Since I don't have any pages, it can't retrieve any pages. The other thing that I do is I look at this list view, and you'll notice that WordPress itself starts with a group. And the reason why they use a group as the base point is with a group you can actually adjust the screen size. So if you have a look here, there's an alignment, but there's also normally a screen option, and you can set it to full width. And that's why they start with a group, is because it normally allows you to select, do you want it full width or not. I'm gathering with the header, they want you to have it. As you can see, the default has got site title. We don't want site title, but we might want to add a logo. So I'm going to click on this add before, and you see how it spreads it apart. You just click on this block, and then you say site logo. Okay, so there it gives you an option to upload one. I haven't got anything in my media library, so you see my media library is blank. I'm going to go and upload. I'm going to select one. I've already created my file, my logo file, so I'm just going to click on open, and there it is. So I click on select, and now it's added the site logo on, and as you can see, it's got the site title away. Now if I wanted to bring the site title and the logo together, I could just go here and say add before, and then I would choose a group over here. Okay, And as you can see, when you choose a group, it asks you, do you want it in columns or do you want it by rows? So I'm going to say I just want it as a single. And what's nice is I can then go drag this site logo under the group, and I can also do the same with the site title. Can just place it under the group like that, and then you see how it piles it on top of one another. And the site title, as I mentioned, you see here it gives you none, max width and full width, and also the orientation. You can say align left, align center, or align right. So I normally like to align things center. Yeah, and so this is I'm obviously going to click on save, and it'll keep all the information. This is what I wanted to mostly show in the first video. I think what I'm going to do is just add a page. I'm going to add a home page over here, just so that we've got one page. So just say home, go publish and publish. Okay, and then what happens is when I go to settings, and I think it is under reading, yes, I go and I choose your home page, and I say a static one, and I select it to home. Okay, then I can say save changes. Okay, and then if I want to have a look, I go to the editor and the template parts, and I can look at index, and you'll see there's my header with my home on it. So if I try and go to view my website, I should just see this now. No, it's still showing the old one. Let's go and have a look. Pages, home, edit. Yeah, happy with that. Layout. Still showing that. Let's try if we go home. And it's still like that. Okay, I realized I think that under the editor I haven't assigned my pattern parts. Do I need to? Yeah, go there, I go to templates, I go to index, I can see that it's showing me index, and let's go to single posts. Yeah, seeing everything. Search blank log. Okay, let us go back to pages, all pages, and if we have a look, it says it's using the default template, and that's default template. Okay, update, and if we wanted to view it, still not adding it to my home page. Okay, so it was something to do with my caching on my browser, because when I click on open new, I just clicked on refresh, and then it refreshed to this. As you can see, it's a blank home page. It's got my site logo and my site title, and the only page that I've got in this. So that's all that I wanted to show in this video. I hope that it's been helpful and informative to other people that are using it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.